Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm doing a Q&A with you guys' questions. So let's jump straight into it, shall we? So the first question I have right here is, would you do a 295/50 R15 tire for the rear? Probably not, because fitment, and it's gonna have too much grip, so it's not gonna be too much fun to drive. So I'm gonna stick to like 255 for now. Also, I don't have the money or budget to even go out and buy new tires right now. Pretty dumb for a drift build, I know. I mean, literally that's what you're gonna buy the most. So the next question here is, still going to paint the car or leave it as is? Actually, I've been thinking a lot about this, and I've been talking a lot about like painting it Brewster green, orange, and I even think I was talking about red at some point, but I really want to keep it the silver. It's just so known out there as the silver bird on Instagram and YouTube and everything that I'm honestly gonna keep it. I think I'm gonna try to like experiment in the future of like doing a wrap or something. Actually, like 100 meters away from here is a wrap company I've been talking to, so might gonna figure something out there, because I don't really want to paint the car, because a wrap, then I can always like return to this look and just peel it off. If I paint it, that's, you know, permanent. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep the look, and it looks awesome. I mean, you guys can't see the full car right now, but everything like the stands, the camber, and it's some small subtle things, but it just changes the look like completely. It's so cool. I can't wait to show you guys the full film that I'm gonna release. What is the plan for the interior? Now the interior right now is really simple. I stripped everything out, grind it down, fixed the rust, and I painted it black. All black. Everything is black in the car right now. Nothing has color anymore. Then I painted a dash, and also painted like the little dash piece silver, so it kind of has this Trans Am look, and an open shifter and 2 bucket racing seats. So not anything special, but for the future, I actually want to go like full race car with like, we have the, you know, the battery inside, we have fire extinguishers, we have a roll cage, we have cool seats, we have alloy door panels, dash panels, and all this cool stuff. A favorite quirk about the car, like my favorite special little thing about it, I think honestly it has to be like the look of the car, because here in Denmark all cars are like trailer queens. It's so rare to see an actually ready, just like used muscle car like you do in America. Like example, my friend Ben Cannon and Craig, right, they have 2 cool like ready looking cars. You don't see that here, because I don't know, it's people with money owning these cars over here, so it's also really rare for me being a 19-year-old driving this. Like, it get a lot of attention, like it's really special. But probably, yeah, that's actually my favorite thing about the whole car. It's just so ready looking, and like, example, the hood, I was installing the hood here like a week ago or something, and we chipped the corner, right, it's fiberglass or whatever, and we just taped it back on with some silver duct tape, you know, like, don't care. And it's so awesome. It's so awesome that you don't have to be all like babying about your car, and you just throw it around on dirt tracks and stuff. I mean, literally the first day I got the thing running, right, I hit this little dirt parking lot down there, and I was just doing donuts and all kinds of shit. That's just how it is. It's awesome. So we also have a few questions on Instagram. I'm only gonna take like the best ones or whatever, but we have a few. What is the plan on the rear end of the car? So basically, right now I have like the stock 10 bolt GM rear end or whatever. And is it 10 bolt? I don't know actually. But we're gonna weld that thing up, and I think it has like 373 gears in it or something, like 320 or I don't know. I don't even care. I haven't even like measured it out or whatever, like checked or anything. I don't really care actually. So we're gonna weld that thing up, so then they can at least like do some drifting and like practice on a parking lot and stuff like that, right? Again, we have the TH350 in it right now. Shitty transmission. I hate automatics. You can't really play with them for burnouts and drifting, clutch kick and racetrack. It's just not. That's a reason why race cars don't have automatics. And I'm not talking about drag cars. That's a whole nother thing, because that makes sense and all that. But yeah, for the rear end, I don't know. We're gonna get something really sturdy, reliable in the future with a good like medium gearing in. And of course we're probably gonna go welded or just like lock diff or whatever. I don't really care for all this LSD stuff or whatever. I know everyone is like, oh my god, you can't drive it on the daily and blah blah blah. Look, it's possible, doesn't matter. It's a race car, it's noisy and unpractical and a shit car for the street anyway, so it wouldn't even matter. Next question is bodywork. Bodywork, that's a big thing on this car. I just got a mail from one of my followers that had like a lot of info about how they made the Trans Am cars back in the days for like the Trans Am series with like fender flares and how you got clearance and how you do and done, all these things, right? So I have a lot of plans. I want to go shake a hood, probably. I'm not quite sure yet. Actually, I also really wanted like the flat stock hood or whatever. I know a lot of people love the car for the Formula hood that this have, but I don't really like it. It's not my thing. But yeah, wide fender flares. We're gonna put like 10-inch wheels all around, you know, and get a lot of angle. And I have big plans, and I don't have the budget. There's so many things I gotta do. I also have a plan about like going for rack and pinion setup and, you know, get some more clearance and modern stuff there. That also gonna help us on the clearance on the fenders, steering geometry, all this stuff. But I have a lot of plans about like going with, I guess, Widebody. Now I'm gonna sound like fucking CJ Hunt, but we're gonna Widebody and batten this thing. So that was all the questions for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. Here in 2 weeks or 3 weeks time, we're gonna have a big video / actually film dropping here in the channel, where I'm also gonna have a merchandise drop, and basically you're gonna get a full build breakdown on the car and everything. It's gonna be amazing. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video.